We have seen Nvidia shares up after hours, in part because they beat the estimates for this quarter, but also because of the outlook. There's been a general concern with all the traditional chip players that as PC sales slow, what are they going to do? In the case of Nvidia, they've been focusing on getting into the mobile market with their Tegra chip. So for smartphones and tablets, selling chips there is key for them. Some key wins with Google and Microsoft recently may have been helping them. Another stock we were watching during the regular session, Millennial Media. Remember they had a splashy IPO earlier in the year, and anybody who bought a couple of days after the IPO was probably not happy. They sell advertising space on mobile devices. There's been all this debate, and Google and Facebook get lumped into it too, on what the advertising rates are when you're pulling out your smartphone and looking at ads there. But the outlook from the company is same kind of story. The outlook better than what Wall Street was looking for, so the stock goes up. Finally, research in motion. RIM has now been up for 5 straight trading days. The move today was triggered by a judge who overturned a decision that would have forced RIM to pay almost $150 million to a firm that had claimed it was infringing on its patents. So that no longer happens. Remember, yesterday, Jefferies & Company put out a note in which it suggested that Samsung may not only be in a position to strike a licensing deal with RIM for their new operating system, but might just buy the company. But boy, how many times have we heard that, Emily?